Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with E-Trade for investment notifications, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the E-Trade website URL in the address bar and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button to access your account. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. Click the Login button to proceed. Upon logging in, navigate to the Accounts section in the main menu. Select Account Settings from the drop-down options. Scroll to find the Notifications or Alerts tab within the settings. Click on this tab to access your notification preferences. Here, you'll see various options for investment notifications. Choose the type of investment notifications you would like to receive. You may have options for stock alerts, market updates, or specific investment opportunities. Adjust the frequency of notifications according to your preference. Ensure that you provide your correct email address or phone number for alerts. Review your selections to confirm they align with your investment interests. Once satisfied, click on the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Your settings will now be saved, and you will start receiving notifications based on your selections. For further adjustments, you can return to the Notifications tab at any time. Always remember to check for any updates or changes to your preferences periodically. This ensures you stay informed about your investments effectively. That concludes this guide on subscribing to investment notifications with E-Trade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.